What's going on, guys? So tonight I made some Jeow Bong with my mom, and the first thing we decided to do was toast some chili peppers outside. Next up, we decided to blend it up in our trusted blender. You want to blend it up really nicely, okay? This stuff is really intense and will have you coughing up a storm, so that's why we decided to do this outside instead. You can't really see it here, but this is basically a simple syrup, so it's brown sugar and water, and we're going to combine that into the blender with the chili. So when you have the water and the chilies in the blender, it should look something like this. So to make this more aromatic, of course, we're going to be adding some fried garlic, and I suggest that you guys do too. And then, because my mom is super extra and wants her Jeow Bong to be really good, and you guys want yours to be really good, you want to put some fried galangal and fried kaffir lime leaves into your mixture. So you're going to keep blending it until your blender breaks. Now I'm joking, but you're really going to be abusing your blender a little bit, so. Okay, so you want to add your salt, and the salt wasn't coming out the right way, so don't ask me why my mom did this, but she did. And it's not shown here, but add some fish sauce and your MSG as well. So my mom was seasoning it while we were blending the last half of it, so this is the mixture with the kaffir lime leaves and the galangal, so that's why it's a little bit lighter. And once everything else is mixed together and it becomes homogeneous, you are done.